Hello everyone. In this video, let us see how to query deployed certificate details using deployed exploit certificate object. Deployed exploit certificate object provides access to the deployed certificates information that is populated in the certificate panel in the Atom management page. To query the deployed expired certificate object, here is the query URL. Here the account ID is the account ID of the authenticating account. Here we need to make a post request with this URL along with the request body. This is a sample request body where we are passing two parameters. One is environment ID and the other is the expiration boundary. Environment ID is the ID of the environment in which the certificates are deployed. Expiration boundary is a boundary for timestamp filter beginning or ending with the current date. The value is the number of days related to the current date. For example, if we pass 1 as a value for this parameter, it retrieves certificates that expire today or tomorrow. If we use 365 as a value for this parameter, it will query the certificates that expire within next 365 days. If we pass -1 as a value, it will query the details of the certificate that expired yesterday or will expire today. So the operators that are allowed in this query request are between, equals, greater than or equal to, less than or equal. The response that is returned by this query will contain the certificate details which satisfies the parameters that we have passed in the request body. This response contains the certificate name, certificate ID, environment ID, environment name, container details, and the expiration date of the certificate. Using these values, we can provide more details to the users so that they can act accordingly on the expired certificates. If the returned records for this request is more than 100, a token, query token value will be provided in the response. We need to use this query token as a request parameter in the query more action to get the remaining details from this object. Hope this helps. Thank you.